Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am tackling some cleaning. Today is Sunday and we went to Dollar Tree. Me and the boys went to Dollar Tree and grabbed a couple of Halloween things, Halloween decor, which I wasn't planning on. I just wanted to go get some spider web decor for outside, and I ended up getting like a haul, so I'll share that with you guys in a little bit. And we are also gonna decorate outside. I am running out of breath, so my husband just called me and had to interrupt my little intro. But I was also planning to kind of clean a little bit. The fridge is like really needs a deep cleaning, little touch up. So I'm gonna do that and then start decorating with the boys. I was gonna do some kind of nesting and build baby girl's bassinet. Here, Papa. Oh, okay. Hey, boy.
I want chicken nuggets.
You want chicken nuggets? I'll see if we have enough. Can you take them out? This is real life. Okay. Chicken nuggets too? Okay. Of course, every time I try to talk on here, somebody needs me. Yes. So I'm gonna make them some lunch real quick and clean the fridge. If you are new, my name is Sydney. I'm a mom to twin 5-year-old boys, a almost 2-year-old boy, and I am 34 weeks tomorrow with baby girl. Here's Noah right here.
Hey.
Nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me.
So the boys are putting the little Halloween decals on the window. You know how to spell help?
Yeah.
What is it?
S Liam, stop. Liam,
You got it.
No.
Wow.
Then
Looks good, boys.
thank you.
Got it, Liam? Pon ahí en la ventana. La ventana. The window. Good job. Ya no tengo aquí. Dile, ask Aaron or Noah to give you some more. Good job, Noah.
What? That's me.
I think it's gonna be backwards from the outside though, but it's okay. Let him get a little blood thing. It's okay, just let him get it. There you go. ¿Dónde lo vas a poner? Yeah, leave it there, puppy. Okay, spread it out. Give him one more so he can do. One more. The little haul that I did, got a little door sign. I don't have a Halloween sign. Bye, Aaron. And then just a couple things for some outdoor decor. I got 2 of these little ghost ones. Let's see where we hang these up. And then the boys, we really wanted to get these. This is the main thing we went for. The little spider webbing, and I didn't realize it came with spiders till no one noticed. We got these little paint ones for them to decorate probably afterwards. And this is for Liam. And some little Halloween bags, trick-or-treat bags, because they didn't have any. This one's for Liam, and then the boys. And I'm thinking of making some little bats later. So that's about it. Alright, we're just gonna start decorating because these boys are getting fussy. Alright, we'll see how this looks.
I want to hang it on the side.
On the side? Let's see right here.
Happy
Goes
Halloween.
like that. Happy Halloween. Alright, that looks cool. Now we need...
And this can be right. And this can be right here.
Oh yeah. Where should we put the ghosts? Should we put them like right here? Maybe on the door? I mean on the lamp? Or right here on the porch? Whoa! Good kick, Leo! Uh-oh, go get it! Get la pelota! So my boys abandoned me. They went to go play with one of their school friends, which are also one of our neighbors. And it's so funny because they are actually twins, the neighbors, boy-girl twins, and one of them is in Aaron's class and the other one is in Noah's class. So I think that's like just a coincidence. So they want to play right there. I can see them from here, so I'm not worried at all. And I'm just kicking the ball with Liam because he wants to have a little partner with him. That's one of the things I'm excited about having baby girl. You know, Liam will have a little partner also. They'll only be literally like a year apart. So I'm excited to see them, like, once she gets a little older and more active and mobile, he'll be able to play with her and not get abandoned by his big brothers. I'll show you guys what I have so far, or maybe I'll just show you when I finish everything. Hopefully my husband gets out soon. He went to shower because he played soccer today. He's in the shower, so he should be done soon. You got the ball, Liam? A ver, let's kick it. So we finished finally,
It's web.
and this is the aftermath. I just put webbing all over our patio
I already did it.
and a few little spiders. We can't really hang on. Little ghost right there.
Come on.
And this is actually supposed to be like a school skeleton, but we used it for outdoors. It's kind of hanging on. Okay, so this is a little later. I finally finished our little patio in the front with some webbing and stuff. So I hope you guys got a little Halloween inspo. I know it's like literally almost Halloween, but I thought it'd be fun for the kids, and they like how it turned out. So, you know, everything to make their holiday special. And I am exhausted. Baby girl is so active right now. She is kicking away. I don't know if you can tell. Let's see.
Oh, there's one. There's one too. I can put something on him.
Want something on her? Yeah. Let's see. She likes to kick the little controls.
Oh no. 2 more.
There you go. I don't know if you can really tell, but I feel her. She is really low. Hi, baby.
We'll take a little bit of a breather and he's earned it. Chad Henne now in the game. Back up quarterback.
Baby, Baba.
Yeah, baby, I want. Little Liam. Thank you, puppy. Liam isn't, I don't know what's going on. I feel like he's teething. My husband said he saw another tooth coming in. And then he has like a little cold also, so he hasn't been like in the best mood the past couple of days, maybe even week. Yesterday we took my maternity photos, and I am so excited about it, but Liam was not feeling it. He literally did not want to take any photos. Thankfully, the photographer, she was very patient and understanding, and she even suggested we can always like reschedule and just do some with him. And you know, because we got a good amount with me, with my husband and I, and then with Aaron and Noah. We were able to get some with Liam towards the end though, so just with me carrying him, so I think that's good enough. I didn't want to like go through all that trouble again, and he may be the same way, so I don't know if it's just him feeling baby girl almost being here, or just him teething, or not feeling well. So it might be just a mixture of all of that, but you know, it is what it is. He's still little and just trying to navigate his emotions and all of that, so I try to be understanding with him, and I just know that he's a little toddler and doesn't know how to communicate, doesn't know how to tell us what's wrong yet. My husband went to go get some pizza for dinner. It's kind of late. The boys go to school tomorrow, so gonna try to eat real quick and then put them down so they can get ready for the day tomorrow. Oh, thank you.
I want baby a kiss.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine